Hello, my name is Mike Lewis. I am the Chief Investigator and President of Confidential Investigative Services. Our clients range from Fortune 500 companies to smaller companies and even to individuals who have investigative needs. Corporations need us to investigate fraudulent claims on workers' comp or internal theft issues, or possibly just do background check and employment screening. Individuals are concerned sometimes that their significant other may not be being faithful. Other individuals have child custody issues where we need to bring out the truth of what is really going on when one parent or the other has the children. Increasingly, over the last 5 to 10 years, clients have come to me and have needed to obtain the deleted messages from a cell phone, deleted emails, pictures, things of that nature from laptops and computers. I have noticed a huge increase in requests from my clients for this type of work. I learned about a company called Forensics Corp. It has not only helped me solve many of my cases and made some very happy clients, but also has increased my business by at least 30%. The simplicity of the partnership that Digital Forensic Corp, or DFC, offers is one that any private investigator must have on their list of services. Some of the devices that I have supplied to DFC is laptops, tablets, cell phones, iPads. Clients don't realize the trail of digital evidence that is left behind in these devices. They think that by deleting the information from these devices that the information is gone. Guess what? The information is never gone. And DFC does an excellent job of retrieving this data even when the user thinks it has been deleted. Let me give you an example of a recent case. I was involved in a criminal investigation. With the criminal investigation, I was able to retrieve information from a client's laptop computer which showed the communication between this person and the perpetrator. They picked up the laptop for me for free. They took it, they gave it a preliminary examination, they got back to me, they told me they'd be able to do the work, and they gave me a price quote. With a very quick turnaround, they were able to retrieve all the information that was necessary from the Dell computer, and they gave it to me in a very professionally well-written report that even I could understand, or even my client could understand. Seamless, very professional, and very quick turnaround. My client was found innocent of every crime that he was charged with. Another large segment of my business is child custody investigations. The way DFC has recently helped me with a case like this is we were able to obtain the cell phone of the biological father of the child where there was a child custody case involved. My client, being the mother, was concerned that the father was leaving the child in the care of other people while he was out drinking and gambling and doing whatever. We were able to determine that there was a lot of drug activity, purchases and sales going through the cell phone of the father. My client then was able to obtain full custody of her daughter. Now, with corporate investigations, which we get all the time because of employee dishonesty, when the phones, the tablets, the computers are handed over to the employees and owned by the company, if they suspect something, can revoke that equipment, and it was learned that there was theft of intellectual property being perpetrated against the company. The client didn't even expect this. The subject had been stealing hundreds of thousands of dollars from the company. I know that if you are a private detective, you are receiving these types of requests. Do not let this pass you up. You will be missing a big opportunity to make a lot of money. And if you don't decide to take it, I know that someone else will.